Before buying a drawing tablet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro caught my eye right away with its sleek design and vibrant display. Priced at $190.62, it's a solid option if you're looking for a drawing tablet with a screen. If you want a compact tablet that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display offers a stunning 123% sRGB color accuracy, making your artwork look vivid and true to life. With 60 degrees of tilt support, you can effortlessly create shading and depth without constantly adjusting settings in your software. The battery-free stylus has 16,384 pressure levels, ensuring every stroke feels natural. With over 3,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, users appreciate its portability and ease of use. Now, some people complained about the need for a computer connection, which might frustrate those looking for a standalone device. Here's the thing though, this is a standard for many drawing tablets, and if you're serious about your art, you'll probably be using it with a computer anyway. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or an intermediate artist looking for an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you need a fully standalone tablet. At this price point, it delivers great value for budding artists. Now, if the need for a computer connection bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. XP Pen Deco 01V3. The XP Pen Deco 01V3 stands out with its affordable price of $42.88 and its impressive features. It's designed specifically for beginners, making digital art accessible without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable tablet that won't make your wallet cry, this is worth considering. What's great about this tablet is its 16,384 pressure levels, which means you can create smooth, detailed lines with ease. The 10x 6.25-inch active area is spacious enough for comfortable drawing, and the USB-C connectivity makes it super easy to set up with your devices. With over 14,400 reviews and also a 4.5-star rating, creators love how lightweight and portable it is, which is perfect for sketching on the go. Now, some users mentioned that the surface can feel a bit slippery at times. But honestly, once you get used to it, the smoothness can actually enhance your drawing experience. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need something portable. Skip this one if you're looking for a tablet with a display. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for aspiring artists. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more functionality. Product number 3. HUJON Canvas 13 Gen 3. The HUJON Canvas 13 Gen 3 drew me in with its impressive features and a price tag of $209.99. It's perfect for anyone looking to blend affordability with quality. If you want a drawing tablet that feels professional without the professional price, this might be your best bet. This tablet features a full laminated anti-glare screen that reduces distractions, allowing you to focus solely on your art. With a color accuracy of 99% sRGB and a 16384 pressure sensitivity, it provides a natural drawing experience that's responsive and true to life. The dual dials and customizable buttons make it easy to adjust settings on the fly. With around 1,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, users love the clarity and responsiveness. However, some have pointed out that the screen can be prone to fingerprints, which might be annoying during long sessions. Here's the upside though, a simple cleaning cloth solves that issue, and the quality you get is well worth it. This is great for you if you're an intermediate artist looking for a professional feel. Skip this one if you need a totally portable solution, as it requires a connection to a computer. For the features included, it's a great investment. Now, if you're interested in a larger screen experience, the next product on my list might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, HUJON Canvas Pro 16. Next up is the HUJON Canvas Pro 16, which retails at $289.99, and honestly, It looks like a premium choice for serious artists. If you want a tablet that feels like a professional tool, you should really consider this one. With a stunning 15.6-inch full laminated screen and 120% sRGB color coverage, your colors will pop like never before. The inclusion of a touch bar and 6 customizable keys means you can streamline your workflow significantly. The advanced battery-free pen offers 60 degrees tilt recognition, providing a high level of accuracy and control. With over 4,400 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users are satisfied with its performance. However, a few users mentioned that the stand feels a bit flimsy, but I'll be real with you. The tablet itself is so good that it really shouldn't deter you. You can always invest in a sturdier stand later if it becomes an issue. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your art and need a high-quality tool. Skip this one if you're just dabbling in digital art, as it might be more than you need. Given its features, it offers excellent value for a premium tablet. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still effective, the last product on my list may surprise you. Product number 5. Hujoin Inspiroi H640p. Finally, we have the Hujoin Inspiroi H640p, which is a steal at just $27.99. It's perfect for anyone who needs a simple and effective drawing solution. If you want an entry-level tablet that won't cost you a fortune, this is the one to check out. This tablet features an active area of 6 by 4 inches and offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you a responsive drawing experience. The customizable hotkeys make it easy to streamline your workflow, which is a huge plus for beginners looking to improve efficiency. With over 14,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, users appreciate its portability and ease of use. That said, some people noted that the small active area can be limiting for larger projects. But here's the thing. For beginners or casual artists, it's more than adequate to get started and practice your skills. This is perfect for you if you're new to digital art or need something lightweight and easy to carry. Skip this one if you plan to do extensive work or need a bigger drawing area. For its price, it's an amazing value and a great introduction to drawing tablets. So there you have it. We covered the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro for those who want a screen, the XP Pen Deco 01 V3 for budget-friendly beginners, the Hujoin Canvas 13 Gen 3 for solid middle ground, the Hujoin Canvas Pro 16 for serious artists, and the Hujoin Inspiroi H640p for those just starting out. Each tablet has its own strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.